Hey guys, let's talk about this mount for monitors. I got this on Amazon. You see that works pretty fine for what I want here. I can just move that way up and down like so. And I can also rotate this one, right? Because what I did here is basically just leave this that way so I can rotate. And I can also bring up and I can rotate here as well. So I have a lot of movement with this one, and I can just keep the cable pretty organized, which is pretty good. You see here on the top that rotates, and there's this piece that holds this part in place, and there's this other one that holds this part in place as well. And you just organize the cable and keep the tools here to adjust the monitor when you need, because you can just come here and adjust the spring here, so you can adjust so you can have a heavy monitor, for example, working here, and you just put in the position that you want and it stays there. Okay, so you can swivel, you can bring forward like this. Let me just move the other one so you see they work pretty fine together here. You can just adjust the way, for example. You see it? I just put it in place and it stays, and I can also rotate like this. See it? Let's say I want both of them in this position. I can just rotate both of them, adjust, and there we go. Okay, so super nice, super good, and also goes pretty high because sometimes I just need some space here to work. Then what I do is just put them their way pretty high. All right, so I can just organize. I'll just show here, for example, that I have this pretty high that way. And right now, if I measure it here, you see that I have this one like 40 centimeter or 0.4 meters from the desk. Okay, it works pretty fine. I like this one. I highly recommend it. You can get yours on Amazon. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.